Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung SCX-3201G printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds, and after that here we find our properties. Scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Samsung SCX-3201G printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. HP and Samsung printers are combined. That's why all Samsung printer drivers are on the HP site, official site of the HP printer. Open the first link. Official site of our printer is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system and bit. If bit or operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit operating system. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, this page or all box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find driver universal printer driver. Expand it. Here we find basic drivers. Expand it. Here we find our driver Samsung universal printer driver for Windows. It's work with the many printers. The same drivers are work with the many old Samsung printer. So download it. Click on this download button. Okay, and it's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. Our download is completed. Go to this download. Click on this show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install it. Right click on it and click on run as administrator or double click on it. Both are same. Click on the yes and installation is started in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to start installation. Installation is started. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition. Both check marks. Select these two options and click on the next. Here we find three options. New printer. If your printer is new or you are installing new printer, then select the first option. It's asked for the USB, Wi-Fi or network. Okay, select USB and go to the next and install it. Same with the existing printer. I go with the no printer connection. I have not attached my printer yet, so I select the no printer connection and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. Okay, and after that click on the next. Click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. It's installing our printer. Wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. And after installation is done, power on your cable, power on your printer and attach your printer to PC, to your laptop or PC. After that, we check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. And in this list, if you find Samsung universal printer driver, then this printer, Samsung printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.